Let's solve another factorization question, that is 4a square plus 2ab plus 9b square. We will use factorization formula, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, to solve this question. So we will use a square plus 2ab, 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b plus b square. So b is equal to 3, because we will take 3 to the power 2 as b square, but here we will take b value, so b is 3 and b square will be 9. Similarly, a is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2 will be 4, but we have to take a, so we will use 2 as a, and 2 square will be 4. So in place of a and b, we will use 2 for this and 3 from this. Now let's solve this question. So we know that a square, which is 4a square plus 2ab plus 9b square. Let's see how we can convert this into a plus b whole square. So first of all, our values are a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. 2 to the power 2 will be 4, 3 to the power 2 will be 9. Now simply use these values in this formula. So a square will be 2a square plus 2 multiplied with a is equal to 2, multiplied with b is equal to 3, and we have b square, so b is equal to 3 and 3 square. Now we can easily convert this narration in a plus b whole square. So we will have 2a plus 3 whole square. This is our answer to this question. You have to remember a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b. No matter whether the x is here or a is here or y is here or b is here, you have to remember this formula and you have to just utilize the values of a and b in this formula and identify the answer to the question. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. We will cover more conceptual mathematical videos on this channel. You can watch previous videos as well. Thank you.